All right, so let's have a look at example 3. It says the equation of the line L. So this is line L, and the equation is 3y minus 2x is equal to 6. We're asked to determine the gradient of line L. Guys, in order for you to determine the gradient of in order for you to determine the gradient of a line segment, sorry, of a line from the equation of the line, you need to get the equation in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So we have 3y is equal to 2x plus 6. So to get it in that format, you need to have y by itself on one side. In other words, you need to make y the subject. So I'm going to divide the entire equation by 3. And when I do that, the equation of the line L is y is equal to 2/3 of x plus 2. This is the equation of the line L. Now, once it's in this form, y is equal to mx plus c. M, the number in front of x, is the y-intercept. So m, the gradient, sorry, m, the number in front of x is the gradient. So m, the gradient of the line L is 2/3. Stay with me. Next, we're asked for state the gradients of all lines parallel to the line L. State the gradient of all lines parallel to the line L. So if a line is parallel to the line L, here's what we know about lines, parallel lines. Parallel lines have the same gradient. So if the gradient of line L M1 is 2/3, the gradient M2 of all lines parallel to L is also 2/3. Why? Because parallel lines have the same gradient. Guys, next we're asked to determine the equation of the line that is parallel to L that passes through the point 3 minus 1. I'm going to do a very quick sketch of L. Very quick sketch of L to give an appreciation of what you're being asked to do. It's 3 minus 1. All right. I'm going to give you a very quick sketch of L. 2, 4, 6, 8. First of all, I think L cuts the y-axis at 2. So L passes through this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The gradient of L is 2/3. Is 2/3. So another point should be here. So let us say that this is the line L. The gradient is 2/3, and it cuts the y-axis at 2. All right, the gradient is 2/3, and it cuts the y-axis at 2. This is line L. And line L is the line y is equal to 2/3x plus 2. Am I correct? It's plus 2? Can always go back to check. Yeah, man, plus 2. So that's L. Now, we're asked now to find the equation of a second line. Now, this second line passes through the point 3 minus 1, and it is parallel to L. It passes through the point 3 minus 1, and it is parallel to L. So let's duplicate this line. Can I duplicate it? I should be able to. Duplicate. All right. So it's parallel to L and passes through this line. So this is the line we're looking for. It is parallel to L and passes through the point 3 minus 1. Now, just from looking at this, it looks as if the equation of this line is y is equal to 2 over 3x minus 3. That's what it looks like. It looks like the equation of this line is y is equal to 2 over 3x minus 3. This line is parallel to L and it passes through the point 3, 1. That is from observation. Now let us see what calculation says. All right, first of all, the formula is, let's change the color here. All right, the formula is y is equal to x into x minus x naught, sorry. Y is equal to m into x minus x naught plus y naught. That's the equation, that's formula. I need the gradient, m2, which is 2/3. It's m2 because this is a line that is parallel to L. 1 point on the line which was given by the examiner is 3 minus 1. This is my x naught and my y naught. Let's put it in. Y is equal to 2 over 3 into x minus x naught, which is 3, plus y naught, which is minus 1. Y is equal to 2 over 3x minus, guys, 2 over 3 times 3 is 2. 2 over 3 times 3 is 2. A positive times a negative is a negative 1. This is y is equal to 2 over 3x minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Both calculation and observation agrees. The last thing we're asked to do is to state the equation of the line that is parallel to L that passes through the origin. Guys, I don't understand why nobody getting an answer for that. So let's duplicate again. Now, this line is parallel to L, but it passes through the origin. So that's the line that wants us to find the equation of. This is y is equal to 2 over 3x. Remember, if a line passes through the origin, the only thing you need to define it is the gradient. The equation of this line is y is equal to 2 over 3x. So your answer here, your final answer is y is equal to 2 over 3x. That line is parallel to L and passes through the origin.